Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to a very, very special episode. My name is Brian. On Instagram, I go by Somewhere Vast. We are doing an American versus British versus Canadian photography challenge. I'm from San Diego, California, and today we're at Fairfax High School on Melrose at the Melrose Trading Post. I'm here with my really good friend, Megan.
Hi, I'm Megan. You can find me on Instagram. The handle is okie.des. It's OKIE.des.
And she's going to be our talent for today. Today I'm shooting with the Fujifilm X Pro 3 with a 35mm f2. And as you guys know, we're gonna put 3 minutes on the clock. We're gonna snap some photos, and I'm super excited to show you guys what we got going on today. 3, 2. Good. Hands on me. You turn your body this way, arm on your waist like this. Other hand on the top of your hat. 3, 2. Good. Good. There you go. You're making my life so easy for me. Good. Can I have you take your hat off? My phone is on the bench over there, isn't it? I'm gonna back up just a bit. Good. Good. Can I have you lean against it? Back against it. There we go. You get full body. I love that. You're making my life so easy for me. 3, 2.
Exactly, let's
Hi,
go.
I'm Andrew. I'm a photographer from Toronto, Canada. I'm shooting at Lofty Studio. I'm shooting with my friend Kate.
Hey, I'm Kate. My Instagram handle is at IKAYMENEKMEN. Hi guys.
I am Andrew Kazarex on Instagram, and I'm shooting with Nikon D750 and an 85mm and a Fuji X100V with a 35mm. This is gonna be just a little bit of my shooting process.
Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Ricky. I'm from the UK. I'm from Nottingham, but I'm currently in Liverpool. We are at Formby Beach. Here I have my model, Emily. Her Instagram is Emily Ida. You can find me at RickyLil421. We are here to do a photo challenge by Brian. He's challenged me to do a 3-minute photo shoot. Let's get 3 minutes on the clock. Cool, ready? First we get you lying down. I'm gonna do like a top-down shot. Thinking like if you can throw your hair all over the place, make it a nice little frame in. That's perfect. Nice. If you could just change your hand placement, that's perfect. I'm just gonna do like a couple shots where like I'm from here. Just a couple like very looking at where you are. Yeah, it's gorgeous. I'm just going like up close shots. What time are you on? 1:40. Bloody hell. Okay. Thinking like a couple of shots like by the water. Oh, this is fun. Can I get like a couple of you like walking towards me? Perfect. Nice. That's perfect. Perfect. Is it? Oh, it's time. There we go. We are done. That was so quick. That was actually rapid. Well, thanks for watching. You'll see the photos with Brian. I'll see you soon. Jeez, I'm tired.